Los Angeles is in flames, and the destruction is heartbreaking. Massive wildfires have engulfed entire neighborhoods, leaving nothing but ashes behind. Homes reduced to rubble, cars melted, and once green forests now blackened and lifeless. Thick choking smoke fills the air, turning the sky into a dark, eerie haze. Sirens wail as emergency crews race against time, battling relentless flames. Families watch helplessly as their lives burn away in minutes. Wildlife flees for survival, many unable to escape the inferno. The scale of destruction is unimaginable. Roads are closed, power lines are down, and thousands remain displaced. The fires continue to spread, fueled by scorching winds and dry conditions. But in the face of devastation, hope remains. Brave firefighters, volunteers, and communities stand together, fighting back. Stay informed and raise awareness. Follow us for the latest updates. Let's support those in need and stand strong together.